Hi, my name's Rich Vigue. I'm the managing broker for JRV Realty in North Georgia. We market horse farms, land, and estates in the North Georgia mountains. We think this is a great part of the country to live in. We're only an hour's drive north of Atlanta, yet we're light years away in terms of peace and quiet and quality of living. This area possesses a great climate, wonderful rolling terrain, and is just a great place to be. With the national forest that we have at our doorstep, we have hundreds of miles of trail riding, and there are many horse show venues so that you can enjoy whatever you enjoy doing with your horses. You'll have it available to you in this area. What we have following are some horse farms that we think are representative of what you can find in the North Georgia mountains. And we sincerely hope that you enjoy viewing these properties.
Located in Jasper on 47 beautiful acres, we would like to welcome you to this estate home and horse farm. It is located at 2129 Grandview Drive. Let's go inside and take a personal tour. As we move up this beautifully landscaped front walk, we'll pass through double glass doors and enter the foyer, featuring hardwood flooring. Turning right, we'll continue down the main hallway. One of the great features in this home are the beautiful skylights throughout, providing great light inside. Turning left, we'll enter the first bedroom with access to the private deck. Adjacent to it is a full bath, and it features a large, professionally tiled shower. As we exit the bath, we'll continue down the main hallway. Turning left, there is a very large walk-in master closet, and it has a sliding glass door leading outside. And to your left is a bath in the master suite. The master suite is currently being used as an office, and as we continue directly ahead, notice the beautiful built-in bookcases and the wall of windows with private wooded views. The hardwood floors continue throughout this area. As we pass the built-in bookcases, we'll continue into the hallway. At the end of this hall, there is a great wine cellar and additional storage area. As we move back into the family room, notice the floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace. And to your right is a bright breakfast or dining area surrounded in windows. In this kitchen, you'll find top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances and abundant cabinet space. There's also a serving bar into the dining area. Moving back through the family room, we will continue directly ahead. Notice the 180-degree views from the rear of this home. As we move out to a screened-in back porch, notice the stone fireplace and tile flooring. On the other side of this fireplace is a great grill. This room also offers great wooded and private views. Moving to the other side of the home, we will go out from the office onto a side deck. It has a built-in hot tub. Additionally, there is an exterior shower. This deck overlooks a very private yard. On the other side of the home, there is an adjacent deck, and it overlooks the pasture below. One of the great features of this home is this barn on site with a built-in apartment. As we continue directly ahead, we'll move into the barn, and it features a great workbench and stalls. Notice also that it's a great basketball court. As we move from the barn, we will continue into the apartment inside of this area. This is the bedroom in the apartment. And as we continue down the main hallway, we will pass a full bath. One of the great features in this apartment is the window overlooking the stalls in the barn. Moving forward, we will enter a breakfast area surrounded in windows with its own exterior deck, and it has an adjacent full kitchen. This home also has beautiful rolling hills and pastures. If you're looking for a great home in Jasper, you must come and see 2129 Grandview Road today.
Carlton Farm will appeal to the discriminating horseman as it offers the amenities of a multi-million-dollar estate slightly scaled down to arrive at a very affordable price. The 14.6-acre farm is located an hour's drive from the big city culture of Atlanta with the privacy and relaxed lifestyle of small-town America in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. As you arrive, you are welcomed by views of colorful landscaping and pasture, where your horses can leisurely crop grass or say hello as they follow you down the driveway. Your next stop is the 5-stall barn, complete with indoor hot-cold wash rack and feed and tack rooms. The barn features a wide 12-foot concrete aisle for easy access and 12 by 12 matted stalls. Extra care was taken in the construction of the barn to ensure your horse's health and safety, including high ceilings and conduit enclosed wiring. An outside attached shed provides room enough for hay and equipment storage. The barn is neatly tucked into a clearing that provides natural protection from the elements. There are 2 separately fenced pastures to allow rotation with an abundance of room to build more if desired. Bordering the rear property line is a free-flowing spring-fed creek with an adjacent clearing that could easily be sculpted into a dressage arena, cutting or reining arena, or even a small cross-country course as the clearing leads to a path along the south side of the property and around to the house. This property has endless possibilities. Just past the barn, as you drive up the tree canopy driveway, sits the 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath residence with a roomy kitchen, complete with breakfast area and formal dining room. The home is 3-sided brick with hardy plank accents and custom Anderson windows. The full daylight basement can be used for storage or can be built out if your family's needs requires more square footage. This home boasts of the richness of its Brazilian cherry hardwood floors throughout, as well as custom cherry cabinets in the kitchen and bathrooms. All cabinets are topped with granite countertops and custom fixtures. The large master bedroom features a double tray ceiling with multiple windows to invite in enough sunshine to lighten any mood. The master bath includes travertine tile, 2 vanities, 2 walk-in closets, a garden tub, and separate shower. If outdoor entertaining fits into your lifestyle, the screened-in porch off the great room is large enough to accommodate your guests with the comfort of ceiling fans and the beauty of the natural setting, complete with seasonal mountain views. Speaking of views, imagine yourself riding your horse in the 100 by 80-foot 4-board fenced riding arena. If your preference is watching the birds, a view of the barn and grazing horses, you have the option of sitting on the rocking chair front porch as life goes by. This remarkable property is offered at a surprising price of just $789,900.
Thanks again for viewing these properties. If you're interested in the North Georgia area, please give us a call or contact us. We can help you find the right horse property regardless of what you do, whether you're a hunter jumper or enter dressage or like the western disciplines of barrel racing, reining, and roping. We can find the right horse property for you. So the best way to reach us would be to go to our website, www.richvigue.com. That's RICHVIGUE, richvigue.com. We would enjoy meeting you and helping you find the right horse property. Happy trails to you.